GSX S750 will be Suzuki's second CKD offering in India after the Hayabusa reports propose that the Suzuki GSX S750 is good to go to dispatch in India this month. Like the 2018 Suzuki Hayabusa, the GSX S750 too will be gathered in India. Henceforth, we anticipate that it will brandish a forceful sticker price of around Rs 9 lakh, ex-showroom. The Suzuki GSX S750 resembles a legitimate street fighter with its strong extents and dangerously sharp body lines, which appear to have been roused by its senior kin, the Suzuki GSX S1000. The GSX S750 gets a halogen headlamp with LED DRLs, and all computerized instrument support and a LED tail area that looks precisely like the one seen on the GSX S1000. The GSX S750 is fueled by a refreshed variant of the 2005 GSX R750 750cc, 4-chamber, fluid-cooled motor. Official execution figures are yet to be reported, however Suzuki has guaranteed that the new bicycle has increased 8 PS over the past model, which successfully takes the power yield to 114 PS. This power is exchanged to the back wheel by means of a 6-speed gearbox. The middleweight Suzuki highlights 41mm cab-modified forks with customizable preload at the front and a completely flexible cab monoshock with spring preload at the back. Conveying the bicycle to a total stop is an arrangement of twin 310mm Nissan Circle with 4-cylinder calipers at the front and a 240mm plate with the solitary cylinder caliper at the back. ABS will be offered as standard. Suzuki will likewise offer a 3-organized footing control framework and a low RPM help that changes the motor speed amid takeoff and low-speed riding to smoothen the power conveyance and help diminish the likelihood of slowing down the cruiser.